What's up, guys? Jeremy, keeping it clean. We're here in Kidd Island Bay, overlooking Lake Coeur d'Alene. Everything's tarped off. We're doing moss removal. This is our second house today. High definition shingles. There's moss underneath every shingle on the east as well as the north. This thing's going to give off quite the mess. We're going to, the balconies, everything. We're going to be cleaning, so washing this top to bottom. But it's a good size house. 7 hours I'm thinking on this, give or take an hour. Got 3 machines going. We're going to tie off certain spots you can walk, certain spots you can't. As you can see, this place is wrapped up. Everything's going to come out clean. Not going to have any issues with mess and the rocks or anything like that. We're not lazy. We'll take time to tarp. It's the right thing to do. 2 machines up there right now. There's a third. I just got to get up there and get it taken care of. A lot of roof. Buffer tank is it overflowing? Sure is. It's full. So once I get on the trigger, it won't be. But in the meantime, let that drain for a little bit, just so we're not getting water all over the trailer. That's the number right there, quality work. South sides look good. These gutters are packed. I don't think they've been cleaned in a while. It's a steep roof. Somebody probably hasn't got up there for a little bit. Now we're gonna get it done. Call us 208-964-7395, 509-822-5151. Thanks a lot.